Composer is used for installing PHP packages and for managing dependencies of PHP packages. You basically declare what packages you want, then you use Composer to install them and their dependencies. When new versions of your packages come out, you can use Composer to update your packages. Packagist.org is the website where you can discover packages to use, and it's also, as it says on their website, aggregates public PHP packages installable with Composer. There are several things that can be done with PhpStorm and Composer, but there's two that I want to do pretty soon. The first is to initialize my project for use with Composer, and I think I may have already done that. The second thing is I want to add more dependencies to my project. I'm not sure when I'll get around to doing that. I'm going to open the Add Composer Dependency dialog box. This is how it's done. Add dependency. This dialog box lets me search Packagist for a package and allows me to install it. I can also run the Composer command line tool in PhpStorm. I need to enable this command line tool before I can start using it. Under Tools, under Command Line Tool Support, we have this dialog, and it says For Current Project. So I would click plus, and Composer is already selected, and then I leave it saying Project, not Global. And then I click OK. Since I had already did Composer init, I'm surprised that it's still asking me for the path to the PHP executable. However, when I click this over here, I can see that it's already one of my choices. And I'm going to go ahead and click this, although I don't know why they're asking for it. Path is not provided. Okay, I'm going to try this one more time. Plus. It says Composer. I'm going to hit OK. Here, I'm going to choose the interpreter on my Mac, which is PHP 7 for Mac. And then I'm not going to click this because it already has the path to composer.for or Composer. If I didn't have this field filled out, I would probably want to click this and supply what it calls path to executable. So I'm going to just hit OK. It says found 28 commands. From this line item over here, we can see that Composer is enabled. The alias is C, and toolpath, it's listing the path to the PHP executable and to composer.for. Just a quick look at what's down here. Here I can delete the line item that I just added. Here I can edit it. Here, I can reload the command list from executable. And then over here, it says Open Definition in Editor. However, when I press it, it doesn't seem to want to do much, and it just gives me an alert message. So now how do we use the command line tool for Composer? Well, let me click Apply and Close first. Okay, we go up here to Tools, and then go down to Run Command. Okay, and then we click on Run Command. All right, now, what we just got here is the command line tool console. Okay, I'm going to type C, and then space, and you'll notice that we get auto completion. And remember, C is the command for Composer. The things that appear after the C and the space are the options. I can either type them in or select one from the auto-completion pop-up. C install will install all dependencies specified in composer.json. C update will update my dependencies with their newest counterparts. And that's it for this video.